So we're going to do deep in the subject. First, we will understand the basics of the three-phase system. What is meant by phase? Phase is a branch or a circuit or a winding in the system. Okay. For easy understanding, I am drawing a simple diagram. Okay. In phase, there are two eyes. First one is phase and second one is neutral. Neutral is help to path provide for the phase currents to return path. Okay, this is the phase. If you consider a network, if a network as like this, it is called a branch. This is also called as a phase. This is also called a circuit. It is also called a branch. Branch. Okay. Or if you consider in a motors, the winding arranged as like this. Okay. This is a single phase, single winding. If I can, for in order to understanding a winding means combination of the two coils. This is treated as a winding or phase. Okay. What is purpose actually? In the phase, basically, in order to flow the current, a phase is required. Depends upon the connection, the phases are furtherly classified a single phase and second one is three phase. The first phase in which there are two windings available. First one is phase and second one is the neutral. Whereas in three phases there are three coils R, Y and P. The number of phases is three. That is called the system is called three-phase system. If the more number of phases are accommodated, that system is called polyphase system. Polyphase system. For home appliances, we use only single phase. Mostly the cases are a single phase system. Whereas industrial application and large power applications, we use either three phase or polyphase system. Polyphase more than three. Number of phases are greater than three. The system is called as polyphase system. What is the need of a three-phase system? In previous slide, we learned a phase. What are the phases? Okay. In this current slide, we will learn what is the need of three-phase supply. First, the voltage produced by the single phase is very less as compared to the three phase. Whatever the amount of power is produced by the single phase system is not enough to the industrial loads like cement factories and traction motors. Very large heavy loads require large amount of power. In order to satisfy that much of power, we need to give a proper generation from the generating site, and which we are using either three phase or multi phase systems. Why we require industrial loads very large power? Because it requires large amount of power in order to drive the large or heavy loads. That are the major purpose. Next advantages of a three-phase system. The output of three-phase machines is always greater than the output of a single-phase machine of the same size. Okay, the size is same, but the production of the power is or output is more in the three-phase machines. The next one is the transmission of a three-phase power is very economical as it needs less copper and less conducting material as compared to the single phase power. We observe many transmission lines at the three phase system. Why? Because why we are adopted three phase power? They are very economical and the copper required to transmit the power large amount from one place to another place is very cheap compared to the single phase system. The next advantage is the RMS generated in three phase supply is very convenient. Very convenient means basically the three phase systems will generate rotating magnetic field. For time being, the term please remember rotating magnetic field. In the further classes, what is the RMF or rotating magnetic field we will discuss in detailed manner. The RMF or rotating magnetic field generation is very reliable generation in three phase supply, but it is not possible on single phase systems, which is one more advantage because of the three phase systems. One more, in three phase systems, three independent phases are available, which is reliable. How it is reliable? Because if I consider three phases R, Y, B, R, Y, B. If any one of the phases is faulty or inoperate condition or blown out, the remaining two phases will give the supply to the load to avoid blackout condition, mean switch off condition. So, which is reliable. The single three phases are YB available for individual operation, whereas in single phase system, phase and neutral available. If any one is breakout or blown out, the system will not get any supply. Okay. In single phase motor, the torque produced is pulsating torque, means some jerkings is produced in single phase motor. The best example, the ceiling fan is a single phase motor. Whereas in three phase motor, the smooth torque is produced by because of the three phase nature of the supply. So smooth torque is available means there is no disturbances while running the three phase system, whereas in the single phase system the pulsating torque means we get some disturbances during the running condition also. Thank you.